Hi everyone! For this project, we're going to use 100% cotton yarn, which is a number 2 sport weight. I used approximately 62 meters and a 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, and a tape measure. Here are the stitches that you need to know in order to make this project. Magic ring, chain, slip stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. You can find the complete list of the materials, the digital PDF pattern, and the gauge in the description box below. And if you find this video useful, please consider to hit like, comment down below, and subscribe. Starting with the cups, begin with a chain of 4 and make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Here we have 3 stitches for row number 1. Chain 3 and turn. Row number 2, double crochet in the same stitch, and then double crochet in the next stitch. On the last stitch, which is the turning 3 chains, we're going to put 2 double crochet. Here we have 5 stitches for row number 2. After this, we're going to chain 3 and then turn our work and repeat the pattern for row number 2 until you have a total of 15 rows for size extra small. For larger sizes, you can adjust the number of rows by adding as many rows as you need for your own measurement. Again, we're going to be increasing 1 stitch on both sides of the triangles, so in every row, we will increase 2 stitches. Here I have my first cup, fasten off and cut the yarn, and repeat everything from the very beginning to create the second cup. Now we're just gonna set the first cup aside and then we're going to continue working with the second cup. Now for the second cup, do not fasten off. From here we're going to work the side ties, and from here I'm going to make a chain of 55. For longer ties, you're going to add more to that, and from there we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and single crochet all the way along the bottom of the triangle. At the end, we're going to connect both cups, so continue with a single crochet to the second cup, and then single crochet along the ends all the way until you reach the last stitch. When you get to the last stitch, you're going to continue with the same amount of chains as you did from the previous cup. So with mine, I did 55 and then single crochet in the second chain from the hook, single crochet all the way until you reach the very first chain of the side ties. When you get to the end, we're going to slip stitch on the opposite stitch at the side of the triangle. And then chain 1 to close this stitch. Fasten off and cut the yarn and weave in all of the ends. Now for the halter straps, we're going to insert the hook at the tip of the triangle, and then we're going to create a slip knot in our yarn and pull that all the way through and create as many chains as you need for your size. For my size, which is a size XS, I'm going to chain 75. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Now you're going to do the same thing for the other halter strap as well and weave in all of the ends. Now for the starfish applique, we're going to start by making a magic ring and then chain 1. Chain 1 here will count as 1 single crochet. From here, we're going to start the first arm of the starfish by chaining 10. When you have 10 chains, we're going to make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in the next 2 chains. So that is 1 and 2 single crochet. Next, we're going to half double crochet in the next 4 chains. Again, 3 single crochet and then 4 half double crochet. Now on the last 2 chains, we're going to work 2 double crochet stitches. Now to finish off the first arm for the starfish, we're going to single crochet back into the magic ring. And from here, we're just going to repeat this pattern. So chain 10 and then repeat everything that you did for the first arm. And just continue doing that until you have a total of 5 arms, and then meet me back later once you're done with this part. That you cannot stay, and it's been too much for anyone to take, and you've outgrown me and all my ways, and I can't find a way to keep you in this place. And I wish it weren't so, but I'm your home base, your rolling stone, and you'll go alone. So once you have your 5 arms, continue with a single crochet. That will be our last stitch for this round, and then we're just going to close this by doing a slip stitch on the chain 1 space of the first arm. Slip stitch and then chain 1 to close this round. Now fasten off and cut the yarn, and then you're just going to pull the center yarn, that is, I call it a tail, You're just going to pull that all the way through until you can close the magic ring, and this way you can tighten the applique. And then with a yarn needle, we're going to weave in the ends and attach the applique into the cup. If you have a sewing thread and a needle, you can use this as well. I think this is more effective than using a yarn needle and the yarn itself. Friends, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them down in the comment section below. Again, you can find the PDF pattern for this design in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.